Today is an exciting day in the Crypto Pandas ecosystem as we show you a new tool that we have developed to make it even easier to use Crypto Pandas and explore the data behind the 105 exchanges supported by CCXT. So let's have a look at it.
So if you go to ccxtexplorer.com in your browser, you're going to be brought to this dashboard. Now, this dashboard was built with the goal in mind to make it as easy as possible to explore the data behind various exchanges. There are a lot of methods available for all of these exchanges, and sometimes it can be really difficult to know what is what. So if we have a look at what we have here, we have this sidebar where we can input any exchange that we want to query, and then select if we want to query spot, future data, swap, or options, and also if we want to look at USD marginalized or coin marginalized data. Depending on the exchange, there's also the possibility to set it to sandbox mode if you want to see what is going on in your development environment. And we do not record any API keys or secrets, but there is the possibility to input credentials to have a look at private data. Only use read API keys, and as mentioned, we do not record any API keys. And depending on the method that you select here, you get various selectors such as the granularity of the data you want, and also when you want the data to start being available. For instance, here I can select beginning of July, and I can select how many data points I want to see. And then once you have selected an exchange, there's this table of all symbols available on that particular exchange and default type, which is displayed. And so here, if we look at Binance, we see that we have all of these symbols related to quoted symbols such as ETH BTC, Litecoin BTC, BNB BTC. And if we continue on down, we have this code snippet here, which will automatically generate a Python code snippet that we can paste into our Python, which will load exactly the data that we are looking for inside of CCXT. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So here we have selected the fetch open high low close data, and we are going to take Ethereum BTC. And then our data has now loaded, and we see that we are getting latest 1 minute granularity open high low close data for ETH BTC. And if we continue on down, we get this lovely plot, which is made based on the parameter selected here, where you can set your x-axis, your y-axis, your column, as well as any potential aggregation or faceting. You can select a line plot, bar chart, or scatter plot, and export your plot using the little camera function here. And you can also export the data that you selected by clicking the little download CSV button here. Now, we can also look at other methods available. So if we were to have a look, for instance, at fetch all Greeks, to have a look at what the Greek values are options symbols, well, now we get this table where we have the delta, the gamma, the theta, vega of all of our option symbols here. So here we have the 110,000 strike call of BTC expiring end of September. We get another plot here that we would need to rearrange for it to make sense. And we have all sorts of other methods that we can query, such as trades, for instance, order books. We can get private data such as positions, own trades, balances. So here we're going to select, for instance, the trades data, and we're going to select Ethereum or Litecoin, for instance. And the data is loading. We can take this Python snippet here, copy it, and put it into our IDE. And we get, once again, the data here for all the trades was the ID, the side, the price, the amount, and we get another plot here where the price is plotted over time. We hope that the community finds this a useful feature. It's a very easy way to discover what kind of data you are working with inside of CCXT and to get a quick code snippet to start exploring the data without wasting too much time. So we're going to be linking link to this tool in the description below. And if you have any comments or you know anyone who would find such a tool useful, please comment and share with them this tool, because the more people know about this tool, the more we can improve it and make it a better tool for the community. So we hope you enjoyed this, and we hope to see you in a future video.